Welcome to the channel, everyone! In this video we are going to explore some of the new features of the Bing chatbot incorporated into the Edge browser. We will also compare Bing to ChatGPT, which is the most popular chatbot on the planet. However, my comparison will be against Model 3.5 and not the newly available model ChatGPT4, as it's currently only available in paid subscription, while Bing is free and available for everyone. So let's get started. First, let's talk a little bit more about Bing Chat Mod and new features which Microsoft announced just a few days ago. So the key feature in the major announcement is that the Bing now uses testing model of the ChatGPT4, and as I already mentioned, it's available right now for anyone to use without any subscription fee. All you need is to have a Microsoft account and you can use it directly from the Edge browser. Secondly, Microsoft announced improved experience with the Bing Chat, which consists of few various tones of the conversation with the bot, which is creative, balanced and precise. Then there is a new additional task panel called Compose, which is focused on the productivity tasks and streamlining common requests like creating email, writing speech or writing a blog post. On top of this, image generation is now available right from the Bing, with AI understanding subsequent modification requests to the originally generated image. In summary, Bing can now do all the same tasks as ChatGPT and even more, such as any factual questions, creative requests, including image generation, any assistance which you might need with searching any relevant information, providing summary, writing and optimizing your content. There are only two drawbacks at the moment. First, Bing does not store the history of the chats, and you cannot have multiple chats at the same time. However, Microsoft specifically mentioned that this feature will be added soon. And second, Bing only accepts prompts up to 2000 letters, whereas there is no limit on the prompt in ChatGPT, which means that you cannot use Bing to paste huge chunks of text or coding and ask it to optimize it. Now let's see in details what Bing can do and how it compares to the ChatGPT. Let's start with the factual checks and some assistance with coding. First, I asked the same question ChatGPT and Bing. What's the key difference between them? And ChatGPT was only able to provide information up to 2021, and it still thinks that Bing is only capable of searching the data online, like a Google search engine, while Bing provided more precise and up-to-date response. What's interesting about Bing is that it also provides all links to the source material, while it's much harder to get any links from ChatGPT. Now let's try to get some assistance with writing a SQL code. As you can see, the responses are nearly identical. I like more output from ChatGPT, just a visual preference. However, content-wise, both of them provided great explanation. And next I asked to provide the example, and both of them provided great outputs. Note that even some numbers in the output example table are the same. Now let's try to check their creative sides. Let's see if they can make funny jokes. I'm an SAP expert myself, so I wanted to see if it can make a relevant joke related to my profession. Well, I'll leave this one for you to judge, but Bing was more funny in my opinion. I quite like this joke of crossing the road to get to another deadline. Sorry folks, this could be a little too specific to my area of expertise. On top of that, ChatGPT provided longer responses, and some of them was hard to get even for me. Let's see how good they are in writing songs. Let's try this prompt with a song about current global warming and how humanity has to wake up now and start dealing with the problems in the style of Eminem. Well, see them side by side. Both of them look pretty good in my opinion. However, I like the lyrics from ChatGPT in this case. Kind of feels more in style of Eminem and a little more rhyme in it. Let's explore something that ChatGPT cannot do right now, generate an image. So let's try an image with the robot with this prompt. Oh, look at this. Bing says that it cannot help me with that. Interesting. I should have mentioned that all the time I was playing around with the balance tone in the chat. However, once you switch it back to creative mode, it will be able to create images for you right from this chat, which is pretty cool in my opinion. See how it's asking me if I want to further modify the images. Well, I was hoping it can use one of the existing images and make variations, but it was not able to do this. But it can relate to previous requests and add the previous prompts and generate new set of images based on your additional modification requests. Have a look at few more modifications of the pictures while I was trying to force Bing to amend existing picture with the subtle changes. Overall, it's a great result. However, I'm really looking forward to the time when AI will be able to amend one of the pictures based on the additional prompt, rather than providing the set of 4 new pictures. But for now, it's like rolling the dice and see if you will like anything. I hope you liked this brief review of various new features of the updated Bing chatbot. You surely can use it in day-to-day tasks, and it's much more sophisticated than free version of ChatGPT. To be honest, I would say that this is my favorite AI chatbot at the moment. Note that besides using it in Edge browser, Bing is also available on more platforms, including Skype, Teams, and Bing Mobile app. So it will definitely be convenient to use it for the productivity tasks. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.